I'm here today in Great Torrington, an extremely popular town here in North Devon. I'm at Market Gardens, this really interesting, characterful, muse-style courtyard setting within walking distance of the town and the facilities. A range of 3 and 4 bedroomed homes, priced from £375,000 and within easy reach of the open countryside. I'd love to show you around these wonderful properties, and you need to move quick because there's only 5 remaining. Let's have a look. At Market Gardens, you don't just get a new home. What you have is a new home built with some character, with some soul. And I've got to tell you that they are very, very spacious houses, and that term is used quite loosely, but these are genuinely spacious 3 and 4 bedroomed homes. All of us like our creature comforts, and these comfortable properties built by Pearce Homes here at Market Gardens, no exception. The quality is easy to see. Appliances throughout, Bosch, and we all know that that's a high quality brand. But that's what you can expect when you buy a Pearce home here at Market Gardens. We've spoken about just how spacious the accommodation is here at Market Gardens, and this kitchen dining room really illustrates the space that you have in these properties. And once again, the excellent quality of the appliances with the Bosch cooker and hob to match the oven, and of course the fridge and freezer. As you would expect here at Market Gardens, all of these properties have got lovely ensuite facilities, as well as really nice quality door furniture. I've been lucky enough to be selling properties in the southwest now for well over 35 years, and every property that I've ever sold, there's always something special about those properties. At Market Gardens there's a few things. We've got these wonderful characterful properties built with real style in mind, with quality, and that's something extra that you would expect from a muse style development. But what you see behind me is really the big thing. The view from this scheme is quite fantastic, and where I'm stood here, this is a communal space for you to enjoy should you be lucky enough to buy one of these properties. So whether you're a family who wants to be close to the schools, great quality schools and the town and all the facilities that it offers, or whether you're downsizing and just want access to the open countryside, Market Gardens would be a great choice for you. So please do contact us if you'd like to see inside. You can contact our new homes team 01271 379797, or of course come to our local Great Torrington office and talk to Adrian and his team, and they'll be pleased to bring you up and show you over. Thank you.